Welcome to the topic on debugging and troubleshooting common issues is in Angular. As a developer, encountering bugs and issues during the development process is a common occurrence. Knowing how to effectively debug and troubleshoot problems is essential for maintaining a healthy and efficient Angular application. In this topic, we will explore various techniques and tools to help you identify, isolate, and resolve common issues that you may encounter while working with Angular. 1. Chrome DevTools. Chrome DevTools is a powerful set of browser-based developer tools that provide invaluable insights into your Angular application. You can access Chrome DevTools by right-clicking on your application in the browser and selecting Inspect. With Chrome DevTools, you can inspect and manipulate the DOM, debug JavaScript, analyze network activity, view console logs, and more. 2. Augury, Angular DevTools. Augury is a browser extension specifically designed for debugging Angular applications. It provides an enhanced view of your application's component tree, state, and change detection process. By using Augury, you can visualize the component hierarchy, check component states, and track change detection cycles, which can be immensely helpful in identifying performance issues and unexpected behavior. Console logging is a simple yet effective way to debug your Angular application. By strategically placing console log statements in your code, you can trace the flow of your application and inspect variable values at different stages. Use console logging to check whether functions are being called. Examine the contents of objects and arrays and validate conditions. 4. Source maps. Source maps are generated during the Angular build process and help you debug the original TypeScript code directly in the browser, even when the application is minified and bundled. Ensure that source maps are enabled in your Angular project's configuration to ease the debugging process and locate issues in your original TypeScript code. 5. Debugging in Visual Studio Code. If you prefer working in an integrated development environment, Visual Studio Code, VS Code provides excellent support for debugging Angular applications. VS Code offers breakpoints, watches, and a dedicated debug console, making it easier to navigate through your code and investigate issues step by step. 6. Unit testing and test coverage. Writing unit tests for your Angular components and services can help you detect issues early in the development process. Utilize tools like Jasmine and Karma for running tests and assessing test coverage. A comprehensive test suite provides confidence in the reliability of your application and aids in identifying regressions during development. 7. Error messages and stack traces. Pay close attention to error messages and stack traces displayed in the console. They often contain valuable information about the cause and location of the issue. By examining error messages and stack traces, you can pinpoint the problematic code and take appropriate corrective actions. 8. Collaborating with the Angular community. The Angular community is vast and actively supports developers in troubleshooting and resolving issues. Utilize resources like GitHub issues, Stack Overflow, and official Angular forums to seek help from the community. Chances are, others might have encountered and solved similar problems, and sharing knowledge can lead to quicker resolutions. Summary: debugging and troubleshooting are indispensable skills for every Angular developer. Chrome DevTools, Augury, console logging, source maps, Visual Studio Code, unit testing, and collaboration with the Angular community are essential tools and practices for identifying and resolving common issues. By mastering these debugging techniques, you can streamline your development process, deliver robust applications, and maintain a positive development experience.